right? Okay, I have 5 quick questions. You can see it on my screen. Again, you don't need to share it on chat. I'm not going to give out the right answers right now. Okay, it's just 5, and then we will take some Q&A thing. Okay, so the first, this is the situation in which you are. Right now, you have to start thinking about the situation and how would you react. So you have 2 of your friends are fighting in front of you. So would you try to help them understand each other's point of view? Pick a side and badmouth the other friend, saying that, hey man, you are right, man, go and give him left, right, and center. Or would you say, or would you avoid both of them until the fight is, so you will just sit there and watch them fight, and once they are done, you will go and talk? Or you will wait and see, let them vent out their emotion, whether they're fighting, doing whatever it is, conflicts, anything happening. Once they are done with their emotions, then you will step in. Okay. So again, think about it. If you have put in your answers in your paper, and give me a thumbs up or a reaction so that I can move to the next one. Okay, thank you, Nancy. Melissa, yes. Any other reactions? The reaction button is down below. Y'all can just click. Unfortunately, I can't see my chat. I don't know why, because I'm presenting. So I think I need to learn this. But I think some folks have been replying. Okay, so I'm moving on to the next one. The second one is, I'm sorry, but this is a part of reality. Okay, your friend tells you that she has suffered a miscarriage. How do you respond? Okay, so is it, are you allow your friend to express her feelings and offer your support, right? Or do you convince her to say that, okay, go out with some friends and get it off your mind? Or would you say, give her some time to herself? Okay, let her be by herself. I don't want to disturb her. Or spend time with her, but avoid talking about her loss. So you chit chat, but then you're still there. Now, keep in mind, there is a very thin line between the last one and the other ones. Like you are allowing a friend to express. So again, you're still there with her, but then you are there to support her. You're not chit chatting with her. And the other one is you're spending time with her, same thing, but then you are chit chatting with her and trying to talk about what has happened. Okay, are we good? Should I move to the next one? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Melissa. I'm just waiting for Nancy to give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you, Philip. Because you two guys are on video, so I can definitely, that helps me. Okay, moving on forward for the third one. Again, when you're facing an unpleasant task, okay, you tend to make a plan or work on it a little each day. Okay, there's a task given to you, something you are facing, you need to finish this work. Would you do it something little by little every day, or put it off until the last minute? Right, okay, I'll do it at the end, let it be the day of delivery come, or get it over with as soon as possible, or not do it at all. So you already are doing some things, something comes up which is unpleasant to you. Your boss or manager comes and says, okay, you're doing 10 things, okay, can you focus on this 11th also and finish it off? Okay, and I have the second last one coming in. Is again, if your daughter throws a fit or tantrums, in short, when you tell her that she cannot have candy at the store. So you are at a store shopping, it could be a candy, it could be a dress, it could be a toy, it could be anything, right? And what do? Do you talk to her about how she's feeling? Or do you let her cry and try to ignore her? Like, okay, let's just push the cart. She's crying loud and you're just pushing the cart away and getting out of the superstore or the mall as soon as possible. Or, okay, I'll buy you candy or that toy. Be quiet and let me do my stuff. Right. Or the quickly is gather your things and leave the store. Okay, I'm done with my shopping or done with my groceries or whatever it is. Pack it up, go to the cashier and just check me out. Okay, do I have any reaction? Are we through? Okay. And the last one for today is during a heated argument. So there's a conflict happening, maybe at home, with your colleagues, with friends, whoever it may be. Am I more likely to call for a short break before resuming the discussion? Okay. So it's at work maybe, or it is at home, or given and apologize quickly to end the argument. It's like, okay, you win, I lose, fine, you are right, I'm wrong, blah, blah, blah. Right. Third is start insulting the other person. Hey, what the hell do you think you are doing? You are thinking of I'm this, I'm that, you are this, you are that, right? And the fourth one is shut down, stop responding to the other person, or leave the room, go into a room, something like that, and don't talk to that person. Okay. Do we have hands reaction? Okay, nice. Thank you. So what we did right now, we did an exercise, first of all, to do some introspection. We try to understand ourselves. Of course, there are other competencies and categories, but due to the time, we are just going to stick to the self-awareness because that is what I carry myself, the internal part, right? And that's what maximum gives me the benefit. In terms of the 5 questions that we ran through, and do you all have the answers with you? I'm not going to ask you, don't put it on chat, okay? This Dave, this test is just to understand how do you react or what do you think would be the right thing to do in the situation, and that is where the self-awareness comes in. Okay, absolutely, that is how what is self-awareness, that is what is self-management also. That's what it, those two categories, as I said, it is all internal self, right? And I'll just give out the answers. I'm not going to ask who did right or wrong or who did what. Okay, of course we all go through a learning curve. So the answers to what you all have put in all are A. So A for Apple. So if you have marked all your answers as okay, for example, what you see right now, the last one was everything is all are A. Okay. So in case if it is something else, then my thing is okay. That's where it points out that okay, we are to think in a different way. We have to start training our mind to think in a different way.